What's going on, everybody? Hey man, I'm doing a follow-up video on some transfers that I'm doing right now. This is powderless, if you can see it, powderless Plastisol ink, or for transfer, powderless Plastisol ink, and this is for transfers. I'm doing one right now, and I did a video back then on doing this on the parchment papers. So let me do this right quick. Right, so I'm gonna do this without powder. This is no powder. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So give me one sec. Watch. You're gonna see this in action. No powder. You're gonna see me do the whole process. Look. I'm gonna run it through my dryer now. Let it run through the dryer. You're gonna see the whole process. That way you don't think I did anything. Powderless. Powderless. It's going through right now. I already did one, but I'm just gonna cut it. Because I gang sheet it. I got a test right here. I'm gonna go do it right now. Let's go. It's just a test shirt that I'm using. Let's preheat it. It's going 15 seconds. Just wait about 15 seconds. Let it cool just a little bit. Sorry, there's a lot of movement here. I just want you to see this. This was a... Boom. Powderless. Powderless. Powderless transfer. Powderless transfer ink. No powder, no mess. Look at this mess I got over here. Alright, so I'm finally trying this ink that I had bought from Total Ink Solutions. Powderless. And it works. Changed the game for transfers.